YUCHENGTECH Syphon Siphon Coffee Maker Brewer Brewing Machine Electric Siphon Coffee Pot 110V Red 1. A multi-purpose machine can not only make coffee but also can cook elegant tea, boil water, used for brewing various foods and drinks such as coffee, milk, cereal, etc. 2. Changing the traditional alcoholic lamp to make coffee is easy to cause the defects of fire accidents. It saves electricity and prevents dry burning. When the pot leaves the bottom of the seat, it will automatically cut off power, and the double-layer protection is safer. 3. Visual water labeling line and extraction line make it convenient to watch the extraction effect at any time. 4. Thickened glass, super high temperature resistance and temperature difference, instantaneous temperature difference up to 210.5. Important parameters: large capacity 400 ml, 2 to 4 persons, 500 W, default power and adjustable. Red and black colors are optional. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.